This is our third summer. The School of Allied Health Professions has offered the Allied Health Education and Discovery Program, or AHEAD program. The AHEAD program is a 5-day program for high school students to come up and learn about all things allied health. The curriculum involves faculty-led workshops in 8 different allied health disciplines. We have panels with current students, group and individual reflection exercises, as well as a series of presentations about college prep and how to be successful in college. This program uses the cohort model, so we've had a group come through in June and a group come through in July. This summer we've had a total of 45 students from 14 different high schools.
I love it. I think it's cool, I think it's fun, and I think anyone that's interested or maybe even confused about what they want to do in the medical industry, they should definitely join.
The purpose of this program is to grow awareness of our allied health professions with young people in our community. A lot of us, when we're young, we know doctor, we know nurse, we know pharmacist, but we don't know about the array of allied health professions that are available to them. So this program is really about growing our students' awareness of the variety of healthcare programs offered in this area.
It shows you it's a lot more than what you may think you know, and it helps you get into things that you maybe not know you like. So I enjoyed it a lot. It's been very inspirational, actually.
To be eligible for the program, you have to be a high school student that's 16 years or older, and you have to be from a Louisiana high school, and we accept graduating seniors. If you're interested in the program, or if you know somebody that may be interested, the applications are open for summer of 2024.